Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you this unboxing of this new Laserdisc player that I got. The box has been opened before, but it itself has not been used. So it's, as you can see, a CLD-D406, kind of a mid-range from what I gather Laserdisc player from about 1997. It's not one that plays DVDs and Laserdiscs. It plays CDs, as most Laserdisc players do, but it's got the separate little drawer and the bigger drawer. And this does two-side playback, so it'll automatically reverse. So let's see what's in this thing. So I'll get the remote up on top here. Manual. Well, it's got that kind of basement stank, like it's been hiding somewhere for a while. Look at that. Got the power cord and some AV cords with it. There's your video. Oh, and look at old batteries. I don't know. I think those would still be good. 1997. Anyway, we're gonna try them anyway. This, yeah, not really anything else in there. Stuck on the bottom. Ooh, look at that, brand new. Pretty nice, huh? Let's see what we got around back here. So this one's got AC3 RF out for Dolby Digital. Got two video outputs, mono audio, two stereo audio outputs, digital optical, so you can get DTS, some control. And yeah, and the power cord goes in there, and it's actually like a separate power cord, as you saw before. And then this is always the box where the laser module goes around from the top to the bottom. Yeah, it's really nice, very clean. Obviously, it's crazy to see. Let's. I'm just gonna power it up here for you. Let's see how that front display looks. It's probably going to be very bright. Usually these vacuum fluorescent ones, right, like they get a little dim with time sometimes. So being that this is brand new and hopefully fully working, hopefully. Let's see what happens here. So got the little standby light on. Okay, turn that on. It's maybe never been powered on before. It's like, whoa, I'm confused. What year is this? Let's try the little door first. Oh yeah, fast too. All right, we don't want to play. There's nothing to play. How about the big door? That opens fast too. Cool. All right, well that's pretty much it. And I'll have to update if to see if it's working. See ya.